What's up? So, today I have been challenged to do a burping challenge thing or whatever. I know why the challenge exists. I don't have a problem with that shit, so I'm just going to fulfill your needs. Cheers. You see this shit right here? They're fucking amazing. They're the fake wasp nests. Basically what you do is you hang them up. Well, first of all, you got to get rid of all the wasps in your area or any potential nests you may have. And then you hang that shit up, and it keeps the fucking wasps away. It works. It's pretty awesome. It works. It works. It really does. How you doing? Ooh, that's gaseous. Come on. Burps. Arise. Arise in my esophagus. I really suck tonight, guys. I'm sorry. If I didn't suck so bad, this might be a video worth watching. Fucking bitches. That's more like it. That's more like me. That's more like how I actually sound. Alright, well, I'm pretty much done with all this shit, so I will probably do another one eventually. But I just want to let you know, if you're watching this video, I know who you are. You want to know how? Because I'm one of you. Talk to you later.